Hi, my name is Anita Foster, and I'm the Library and Media Specialist at Autry Middle School. And today we're going to look at Kahoot and Quizizz, and I want to show you some similarities and some differences with them. So first of all, I'm using the free version of both of these websites, and I have used them before, and I'm going to take you to my launch page for Kahoot. You'll see on this page, the Kahoot main page, you'll see students playing the games. That is one of the benefits of this game is its gamification, and the students are engaged in learning, and I've even used it with adults at professional learning to use it with them. However, the one downfall to doing it this way is that you have to have the game going live. You cannot have the game like on your blog set up for students to play on their own at home. So I'm going to show you real quick how to search for a game in here. This is my launch pad. This is my home base on here. So I'm going to just click on the Discover button because, yes, you can create your own wheel, but there are a lot of wheels already created out there for you. So I know I'm doing a unit in the next few weeks on the weather. And so I'm going to click right here because it's sixth grade, apply. And up will come a lot of weather-related Kahoots for sixth grade. I'm going to click on the Earth Science one, and I can see the question, and I can even look at the answers over here. So I can, if I download this onto mine and put it onto mine by duplicating it, then I can go in and modify this. So if I don't think my students can do this in 20 seconds, I can give them more time, and I can make this my own by using somebody else's questions. So again, you do not have to recreate the wheel. You can just go in and find somebody else's and modify theirs to meet your needs. And then the way that you would share this, you can embed it right there, copy the shareable play link, and or when you start the game, it will give you a code to give the students that they can put in on the Kahoot app on their device or on a school-owned iPad. The next one I want to show you is Quizizz. And Quizizz very much the same thing, except for this one, what I like about it is you can put this on your blog or on your website, and students can play this at home and at school. And let me tell you, the other day, I was told by one of our 8th grade science teachers, he told me that a student, he had put a Quizizz on his blog, and one of his students came in the next morning and said, "Mr. James, we had 30 people playing this on Instagram because I shared your game out on Instagram, and we had a party going playing your science review for 8th grade." And I just thought that was amazing, and other students are starting to pick up on that too. And they'll just put the link out on social media, and anyone who wants to join in can join in. So again, I'm going to search for weather here because I'm doing a unit with 6th grade science. And the other thing here is it lets me see the questions over here, and I can even click on the play button and I can play it and test it out. So I'm on this one right here, and if I hit play button, science is not my forte, but I can play it a solo game, assign it as homework, or play it live. So I'm going to do the solo game real quick just so you can see what it looks like. I could not do that with Kahoot because Kahoot, you have to have multiple players playing at the same time. I'm going to click Start Game. And here we go. So it's timed. I can see the timer going down here, and it's asking the question, and then they get to choose. If they choose wrong, I don't even know because I didn't even read the question, and I got it right. So it told me how many points. With this and with Kahoot, the faster you answer, the more you get. And again, I guessed there and got it right. I was trying to show you one that I got wrong. So let's see if I can miss this third question. Okay, there we go. It exited out, but then it showed me the correct answer. So this is a great review. And with both sites, you can download the reports and see how your students did. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you give Kahoot or Quizizz a try.